Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install the Sensu Go monitoring tool on Ubuntu 22.04. First of all, in a terminal session, you need to update Ubuntu 22.04. Next, you have to install some necessary packages. After the installation, you will need to install the Sensu Backend repository to your system by using the following command. Once the repository is successfully added to the system, we can start the installation by running. Once the application has been successfully downloaded, it is necessary to download the default configuration file. And now move it to the correct location. Next, you will be able to manage Sensu as a system service. So, start it, enable it, and check the status of the service. As everything is okay, you have to start the backend by assigning it a username and password. Assign a username and a strong password. Then you need to install Sensuctl by running. And you have to configure it by running. Remember that the username and password must be the same as the one you set in the previous step. After applying the changes, you can check that the backend is working through the web interface provided by the application. Now, access it from the following URL. Then, you will see the login screen. Log in with your username and password. You will see the dashboard. Now, you have successfully installed Sensu Go on Ubuntu 22.04 VPS. You can see it's empty because we haven't added any nodes. But the backend is ready.